Hello everyone. The other day I was working with this app and I found that instead of doing this horizontal tabs, actually we can do vertical tabs. Vertical tabs here, I mean this tabs could be vertically here. There are a lot of apps their tabs are vertical, and I was working on it and I found a solution, so I wanted to share with you guys. So here, this is the tab bar, which is this one, and this is the tab bar view, which is this photos or this contents. Okay, well, right now they're in column layout, so on the top of each other. So the first thing we need to do, we need to rotate, well, these things we need to put here, and the images should be here. So the tabs should be here vertically, so that should be a row format. Okay, all right. So the first thing, we also need to transform this tabs, or we need to change their angle. Okay, and how to do that? So we need to rotate them. Well, in Flutter there's a widget called RotatedBox, this one, and for this box you can mention the angle, like whether it's 90 degree or 180 degrees. So quarter turns, which means 90 degrees, one means how much or how many times. So here we want it to rotate only once, so like this. So place would be at the top, inspiration in middle, and emotions at the end. So it would turn like this because of this one. Okay, yes, so that's the first step. But if we do go ahead and run it, let's see. Yeah, we have this thing right now. So this didn't change, so definitely they're still in column layout. So we need to put this one here, and this is right next to this. So we need to put them in a row. So I'll go ahead and cut them. So here I would put row, and over here I'll do children. Okay, and within the children I'll put these two containers. Well, definitely if you go ahead and run it, the app would crash. Okay, and it did. Well, there might be an error once again. It says that render flags overflowed issue, and it's a lot of pixels, right? So here actually this container is trying to get unlimited space, and in general, which it should not, it should only take the available space for it. So actually this is what causing the problem. If we go ahead and run it, remove this, you'll see the tabs are there actually, but those list is not there. Anyway, so this is what causing the problem. So to solve this, we need to wrap it around another widget, and that is called flexible widget. So what flexible widget does, it takes the available space for either for the container or from the parent one. Okay, so the row is unlimited. Okay, it takes unlimited space actually, technically. So now flexible will give this container unlimited space. So using this, the container at least has a notion, okay, take all the space available. So that's how it works. So in general, most of the time, flexible widget is inside a row widget. Okay, so if you want to put anything inside a row widget, but if you want it to take all the available space, then you should put that widget inside flexible, and flexible should be within row. So what it does, so it helps the inner container or inner widget to take as much space available from this parent container. So this is the toppest parent container in this case. Okay, anyway, so now if you go ahead and run it, you'll see it works. So let's wait for it. So now you see it's working, and it did indeed work. As well as if you tap on them, it does show you this the content that we are looking for, and it also shows you, if you click on them, it takes you to a new page. Now of course we need to change this dots a little bit, and that's actually easy to do. So all we need to do, we need to change their first thing, the coordinate. Okay, so with this, one of the coordinate would be changed, and over here I think instead of radius minus, so we could do -40. So remember, this is this height. Previously height was like this, but it rotated. Previously it was on the bottom, so it came down because we rotated it. But anyway, after rotating, this is the height and this is the width. So all we need to do, change the height of this dots. So now it's working. Okay, so everything else works here as well. So the idea is, if you want to make your tab bar vertical, first you need to wrap around the tab bar within RotatedBox, and the tab bar view, most of the time it should be inside a flexible container because the parent is a row. Otherwise this grandchild widget doesn't have idea of space. So now, because of flexible, this one would take as much space available from this one. Hopefully it makes sense. Thank you.